Hey guys, Dr. B here. Ever wished you could lose weight without giving up your favorite foods? You're in the right place. Today I'm sharing science-backed tips for losing weight without dieting. These are simple, sustainable changes you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, losing weight isn't just about fitting into smaller jeans. It's about improving your overall health and well-being. These tips will boost your energy, improve your sleep, and make you feel amazing from the inside out. Ready to embark on this journey with me? Let's do this. The first trick is outsmarting your cravings, not restricting them. Focus on adding healthy ingredients to your meals. Remember, it's easier to add than to deprive. Before diving into that pasta, start with a big, colorful salad. You'll feel more satisfied with fiber-rich veggies. Ordering pizza? Load it with extra veggies like mushrooms, onions, and peppers. Boost flavor and feel fuller longer. This next trick is simple, yet often overlooked. Drinking enough water. Sometimes we mistake thirst for hunger. Before reaching for a snack, try drinking a big glass of water. Cravings might disappear. Bonus tips. Drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up to jumpstart your metabolism. You'll have more energy and burn more calories. Sip water throughout the day and drink a full glass before meals. It helps you feel fuller and aids both digestion and nutrient absorption. Hack number 3. Become a mindful eater. It's about paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Before eating, ask yourself, am I truly hungry, or eating out of boredom, stress, or emotions? Learning to distinguish between physical and emotional hunger is key. Mindful eating is not about deprivation. It's about giving your body what it needs. Savor each bite, appreciate the flavors, and stop when comfortably satisfied. This approach helps you make conscious choices about what you put into your body. Hack number 4. Embrace healthy habits, not restrictions. Shift your mindset from restriction to empowerment. Focus on what you can add to your life to make it healthier and happier. Start small. Incorporate simple, sustainable habits into your routine. Take a brisk walk after dinner, park farther away, get up and move every hour, or even do jumping jacks or squats during commercials. These small changes add up over time and help you develop a positive relationship with exercise. So there you have it. 4 proven tricks to help you lose weight without the stress of dieting. Sustainable weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Make small, gradual changes and celebrate every victory. Share your favorite ways to lose weight without dieting in the comments below. If you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos on weight loss, nutrition, and healthy living. Ready to take your weight loss journey to the next level? Check out this next video for the healthiest strategy for sustainable weight loss. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.